COM 600 students, I wanted to take you through a little demonstration that will help you in pursuing our second writing assignment, the table of research. On UMUC's homepage, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a link to Library Services. Click there and you are at the Information on Library Services website. Click Search by Subject, and most of you are majoring in something related to business. Many of you are getting MBAs. I'm going to click on education. Just let's pretend somebody's pursuing a graduate degree in the education field. When you click that, you get a number of recommended resources. I'm going to click the second one, Education Research Complete. As you can see, this is an EBSCO hosted database, and if you choose this item here, Choose Databases, you'll see many other databases that you can click on. Right now, Education Research Complete is checked because that's the one we initially clicked on in order to access this interface. But we could click on any of these other databases. Right now I'm going to click this button at the top, Select All, and click OK, just for the purposes of saving some time here. What I want to search on, what I'm interested in finding research on, is the issue of one-on-one laptops. In other words, many school systems are giving each child in the system, or each student in the system, a laptop. Some high schools are trying this. I think some middle schools are trying this. They feel that the school systems feel that this approach enhances student learning. Students can work on the laptops during the school day, take the laptops home with them, and I want to see if there's been any research studies on this. I click this, or I type in this, one-on-one laptops, and instead of just doing a general search, I want to search specifically on the abstract. In other words, I want this phrase, one-on-one laptops, to appear in the abstract of the article. Now remember what we talked about in our first 2 weeks. The abstract is the summary of the article. So if this phrase is going to appear in the summary, it's probably going to be a pivotal issue in the article. I click Search, and I get 73 hits. Not bad. Here we do have a case study of integrating laptop computers into the classroom. We have building on a decade of one-to-one lessons in education, well, it's called Technology Counts. And we have a number of other studies here. I want to click on this one by Kurt Sir, David Hernandez, Douglas Grimes. Laptops and Fourth Grade Literacy, Assisting the Jump Over the Fourth Grade Slump. I click on Full Text from Eric. This is from the Journal of Technology, Learning and Assessment. I'm going to make this 95%. And as I scroll down, I see that we see a little bit more information. And I see the abstract here, which we've learned about in our previous 2 weeks. And I can see from the abstract that this is a research study. This study investigated whether a one-on-one laptop program could help improve English language arts test scores of upper elementary students. And as I scroll down, I can see there's the introduction. The fourth grade slump is the problem they're dealing with. Technology and literacy, laptops and literacy. They do some kind of a review of the literature here. And then they pose their research questions, numbers 1, 2, and 3. Research setting, methodology, quasi-experimental group, treatment group, control group. You've got these different tables that show the different results, some statistics, background variables. It's a fairly long write-up. And of course at the end you have your references in case you want to check out any of the sources that were cited. This is an excellent article if you want more information on one-on-one laptops and whether they're successful or not. If I go back to my research results, here's a case study of one-on-one laptop initiatives in Midwest public high schools. We have other articles that I'd have to check into more specifically to see if they're research studies or not. But these are the types of articles you're going to look for in our next writing assignment. You're going to look for scholarly articles, preferably research studies, on a topic that you're interested in. Now I chose education, and I chose I clicked on education for my gateway topic, and shows education research complete, selected more databases, and searched on one-on-one laptops. You may not be interested in one-on-one laptops. You may not be interested in studying education. You may be pursuing a business degree, and you might be interested in a totally different topic. In our next lecture, we'll talk about some of the other gateways, business and marketing, for example, or management, that might be more appropriate for the degree that you're pursuing. Thanks very much.